Hello, Crafty hackers! Today we are going to make Barbie some cute clothes and some amazing house hacks. We're going to make Barbie's life an amazing one. If you're new here, make sure to show us some love. Subscribe and click to get notified about every new Crafty video so you never miss out. Let's get started! Let's make a magazine holder. First, we paint the card. We'll need some cardboard, 3 razor covers, paint, and a glue gun. Next, we glue the 3 covers on. This one's easy. And now all that's left are the magazines. So cute! Hanging chair. What you'll need: rope, glue, water, containers, and extra fluffy fluff. Put glue and water together. Cut rope into smaller pieces and cover in mixture. Blow up balloon. Next, cover the balloon and do fun designs. Make sure to leave room in the front for Barbie to come and lounge. Once dry, add in that stylish fluffy fluff. Can we say yes and make me Barbie-sized? Amazing! Barbie wants a cabinet, and so do we. We need foam core, thumbtacks, pins, marble contact paper, and a glue gun. Measure out 5 rectangles. Make sure to get some help if you need. In 2 of the rectangles, divide them into 3 by adding 2 lines. And cut, cut, cut! Now we're going to hot glue gun the back, bottom, sides, and shelves. Pin the cabinet doors to the top piece. Then hot glue gun all together. Use tacks as feet. Cut marble contact paper to fit the top, and voila! So cute and fancy. Living room TV? Yes, please! You need a great photo, card paper, paint, and a trusty glue gun. Draw a frame around the photo. Cut out a friend for his back. Let's also cut out 3 pieces for the stand, 2 for the base and 1 for the neck. Let's glue the bases together. Now, paint all the sides. Don't forget the stand. Now let's use our best friend glue gun and glue the photo to the TV. And now the stand. Now let's do what every amazing house needs. A bowling lane. You need Model Magic, wood photo, foam core, glue gun, and a marble. Roll out the magic and cut into, can you count them? 10 pieces for 10 pins. Roll them into balls and then shape them into pins. Glue wood paper to your foam core. Cut out 3 more pieces, 2 long thin ones for the sides and 1 tall one for the back. And strike! Let's keep this ball rolling. Barbie loves having friends over, and she needs the cutest dishes. You'll also need some paints and a brush. Paint one side of the plastic whatever color you'd like. This is a great way to reuse plastic. Cut it out and shape cute handles. Bon appetit! Bathroom sink? This hat is perfectly fancy. You'll need a yogurt container, toilet paper roll, hook, beads, and paint. Glue toilet paper roll to the yogurt container. Paint it cute, cut up hook, and use it for the sink. And now let's glue on some beads for cute knobs. Love it! Show yourself some love with a heart purse. What you'll need: glitter paper, wire, and a glue gun. Layer 2 square pieces of glitter paper and cut out hearts, saving time and makes them equal. Yes to hacks! Now we cut some smaller pieces for the sides. And cut a little piece of wire for the handle and glue it on. Let's build Barbie a desk lamp. Cut off top of pen cap. Ask for help if you need. Glue buttons together, glue pen cap to buttons, and now let's paint. We're golden! Let's make her some cute perfume bottles. Choose your 3 big beads, and choose which of the smaller glam beads fits well. Next, we glue. Oh my gosh, so cute! Love it! We love some cute storage, and this is a heart eye emoji wooden box. What you'll need: popsicle sticks, 4 toothpicks, and our fave glue gun. Now, cut 14 pieces of popsicle sticks. They all need to be equal. Glue 2 to the toothpick side, and continue all around the other sides. Trim the toothpicks. Now let's make the bottom. Glue 4 pieces together, and then add another 2 for the base. Let's glue it all together. It's perfect! Exercise outfit? We love to stay active. This one's super easy and super cute. All you'll need is a rubber glove and some scissors. Cut 2 fingertips off for Barbie's legs. Leave 1 finger to tie the legging and cut off the rest. Cut a finger for the tube top and so cute, so active! Barbie tutu, what you need: some string, lots of cute ribbon. Let's get started. Roll the ribbon around your fingers. And then cut at both ends. Tie evenly all around the string. Next, we have to attach it to Barbie's waist. So cute! Let's dance! Let's make Barbie a cute vest. Take the closed end of the sock and cut off the rest. Fold in half and cut 2 holes for the arms. Now cut 1 for Barbie's cute head. Then next, cut it right down the middle. Now let's put it on. All we need now is a cute belt. So cute! Fancy hat and vest. Cut the open end of the sock. Once and twice. Now let's put it on. Easy and so fancy. Fluffy slipper? What we need: a fluffy glove, foam, or fave glue gun. Cut 2 fingertips off. Measure Barbie's feet and cut out some insoles. Do it 2 times for extra comfort. Fold fluff over and glue. Now glue insoles in and yay! Cozy, comfy, and adorbs! Let's make Barbie a princess crown. Take the ring and make 1 cut. This is another great way to reuse plastic. Next, we add sparkles and jewels. Ooh la la, c'est magnifique! Barbie is a busy lady and she needs a pretty suitcase. What you'll need: empty matchbox, washi tape, buttons, and a paper clamp. Let's take that lovely washi tape and cover the entire matchbox. Now let's do the same for the inside. Get some help to take the metal out of the paper clamp and glue it to the inside of the big box. And now that we have a handle, let's get some wheels. Glue some buttons on each side and zoom! We're off in style. Glam dress? Yes! We need a square piece of fabric, jewels, and a string. Fold it 4 times, always in half. Now, cut the end round. Cut a hole for Barbie's head, unfold to cut holes for the arms. Now let's bedazzle all the way around. cute belt, and one last Babu bedazzle. Perfect! Now we're ready to party! Thanks for watching, Crafty Hackers! Remember to subscribe and see you next time with more hacks. Bye now!